Alright, what up YouTube? It's SRT Show and we back with another video today. I'm gonna be giving you guys 5 things I hate about my Dodge Charger Scatpack Widebody Lastcall. So for real, let's just get straight into the video. Alright, so for number 1, it's gotta be the fucking gas, man. I know when I signed up for this shit, the gas was gonna be crazy, but this shit is absolutely insane. Let me show you how much I average. Where that shit at? Oh shit. Copyright. Do I actually gotta turn on the car? Hold on, let me see. Oh, I do gotta turn on the car. Alright, let me turn on the car. Alright, so look, as y'all can see, we averaging like 13.6. Mind you, I have not restarted this since I got the car. But no, I do got a video coming out next, or whenever I do the video, it's gonna be about how to like pretty much improve the gas mileage, so stay tuned for that shit, no cap. The gas gotta be like, well, there's really no placements on this, but that's gotta be like, it's on the list for sure. Like, gas is crazy, no cap. Like, you're gonna be at the gas station like damn near every 3 days, like, no cap. All right, for number 2, I'm not gonna lie, like, when I'm telling y'all it was hard to make fucking complaints or things that I hate, like, this was the hardest thing ever to do. I'm not gonna lie. But no, for number 2 though, we got the doors. Like, I don't know if y'all noticed, but on other Scat Packs, at least ones that are not Lastcalls, but I have a Lastcall Scatpack, so for some reason my shit only came with like red stitching. Like, I don't know if y'all see this, but like, y'all see the stitching? Like, all my doors are supposed to be red, but like, they're not red, they're like just red stitched. I mean, it look nice or whatever, but like, it's not red doors. Like, my whole door panel is supposed to be red. Like, I don't know what's up with this shit, but like, no, that's one complaint I had about it. Like, shit, red, just red stitching, not red doors. I mean, it still look nice though. We got the red stitching right there too on the motherfucking dash and on the fucking the door shit, but like, hey, it's not like stitched. I mean, not stitched, what am I saying? It ain't fucking like full on panels. Like, I don't know, shit kind of weird. But no, it's still, I mean, it's still fine though, but like, I don't know, it ain't what I expect. Well, when I really ordered it, I really wasn't even expecting like a certain color. I was just mainly focused on the seats. I got the red seats because some people didn't even get red seats. Like, they had ran out, but I got lucky. But no, shit kind of crazy though. Like, I don't know what I should do, or should I like try to get some aftermarket red doors? But like, I low-key want the red doors. I'm kind of sick, no cap. All right, for number 3, it's got to be the fucking wide body nicks. That's what I call it though. But I don't know if y'all can see the shit, but like, kind of like, okay, not the dirt, ignore the dirt, but like, it's like right here, kind of like, I don't know if y'all see it. It was like little black nicks. That's from like, you know, like debris and shit, like hitting the fucking wide body, because it's like, it sticks out because it's fender flares. So I got fucking nicks right here, but they really small. You really can't even tell, but like, I can see the bitches. Like, it's like some right there and shit. I don't know if y'all see that shit. I'm gonna show you on the other side too. But yeah, that's one thing that I hate too, the fucking nicks on the wide body, bro. I don't know if it's just like a wide body thing or like a narrow body thing, but I never seen it on my narrow body, on my Challenger. So it's like little nicks, not the dirt, because like, if I clean it, it ain't gonna look as bad. But it's like little small nicks. Like, no, my dealership man said he was gonna like give me some touch-up paint to fix the shit though, so it's not that big of a deal, but like, it's just something that I hate, like that it get nicked right there. I wonder if I get like some ceramic coat and ceramic coat it, like, will it be like fine? I don't know, or straight, but I don't know. I gotta get that shit fixed. And also do need a car wash. This bitch dirty as hell. Like, y'all can't even really tell for real because it's so fucking dirty, but it's just like little nicks there that I can't stand. All right, number 4, y'all probably already heard me say this before in previous videos, but it's got to be the fucking brake dust, man. The brake dust is crazy as hell, no cap. I don't know if y'all can see how bad this brake dust is, but this shit bad as hell though, no cap. Like, literally I can like go like that with my finger and you see like some black ass shit on my fingers, no cap. That shit, it's like low-key dirty. I cleaned it last week, but shit, it obviously was not good enough. And it's really only in the front. By the way, look at how fucking meaty this tire is. I don't know if y'all can see, but look at my hand compared to this tire. I don't know if that's really doing it justice, but like, bro, this shit, bro, this is such a big ass tire, and I'm about to go even bigger than that soon. Like, shit is crazy, insane, like how big these tires are. But no, the brake dust, at least in the front, the 6 pistons, it's terrible, bro. If y'all got any suggestions for like brake pads that I should like try, leave them down below, because I got to get rid of these brake pads. These brake pads, they just like leave too much brake dust, and I'm tired of this shit. But not in the back. In the back is fine. It ain't that bad. I mean, it's there, but it's not as bad as in the front. In the front, shit is terrible. I gotta clean my fucking wheel wells too. Them bitches dirty as hell. But no, for number 5 though, it's gotta be thieves though. thieves, man. Thieves, I don't know why it's so easy to steal these cars, but shit, it's so fucking easy. I'm not gonna lie, I got a fucking security video coming up soon, you know, for all like the shit I got in here to keep this car like secured and shit, and what I do. But yeah, that's coming up soon. Make sure y'all watch out for that. But look, I literally got, I don't know if y'all can tell, but y'all probably can't even see this shit, but I got a neutral strap cover right there, and I got like 2 steering wheel locks and like a couple trackers in this bitch. So I mean, my shit gonna be fine. And I got the car lock too, so I don't know if somebody like vibrate the car or shake it. But like, it's still, it's like, damn, you can't really go nowhere without being scared. Like, I don't know, I'm always scared for my car. Like, that's like the only thing I really be worried about is my car getting fucking stolen. But I really only park this bitch in 2 spots. Like, it's either in my garage or I'm either like at work or some shit. But that's it. I really don't go out for real unless I gotta record. Like, this bitch literally stay in a garage. Like, bro, if this bitch not in a garage, like, and I'm trying to sleep, like, bro, I won't even feel safe. Like, it's like a part of me like scared. I don't know why I'm like that, but like, shit, I just love my car so much. Like, I'll be so mad if somebody stole it or took this bitch. But yeah, that's number 5 though. But no, that's pretty much gonna conclude the 5 things I hate about my Dodge Charger. Like I said, I really don't hate many things about it, and it took me like a week to like come up with all this shit, because I really don't hate nothing about this car. Like, as y'all can probably tell from the things that I did say, like, that's really not shit. Like, that's just literally just complaints. Like, I really don't hate nothing about this car, but shit. Thank y'all for watching my content, bro. We almost at 1,000 subs, man. Let's get to 1,000. You can follow me on Instagram at srt.show. Other than that, I'm gonna catch y'all boys later, man.